class we discussed about subtraction with regrouping ones and twice. In this class we learned about subtraction with 0 and ones, checking subtraction with addition. So let's start. First is subtraction with 0. So 600 minus 256. So first subtract ones column 0 and 6. We can't subtract 0 from 6 because there is no value and 6 is the bigger number. Then we regroup tens on ones column. So here also 0. So what we should do? We can't take 0, no. So we are regrouping hundreds and tens first. 600 and 0 tens. So here what happened? We are regrouping 100 column. So 6 minus 1 is 5. 600 becomes 500. Then here it becomes 10. Right? If we are giving to the tens column means it becomes 10. Then what we have to do? We want to carry to the ones column. So you remove this 10. From 10 you give to 1 to the ones place. So it becomes 9 tens and here it becomes 10 ones. Understood, no? Tens minus 6 is how much? 4. Then subtract tens column. What is the number in the tens column? 9 and 5. So 9 minus 5 is how much? 4. Then subtract hundreds column. 5 minus 2. 5 minus 2 how much? 3. 344 is the answer. Okay. First, here also if the same number is in the tens 0 and 0, we have to take from hundreds column. Then we have to regroup. So here 6 becomes 500. Then you give 1 to the tens place. 10 becomes and 1 less. So it goes to ones column. 10 becomes 9 and 10 minus 6 is 4. Understood, no? Next, subtraction with ones. Here 311 minus 158. Ones column, tens column and hundreds column. Subtract ones column 1 and 8. We can't subtract 8 from 1. So we are regrouping tens and ones. Here 1 ten and 1 ones it becomes. So 1 minus 1 is 0 and it becomes 11. We are giving 1 to the ones column. So 11. 11 minus 8 is how much? 3. And here what's the number in the tens column? 0 and 5. We can't separate 5 from 0. Then we will be grouping 100 and tens column. So after regrouping 3, it becomes 2 and 100 to the tens column. So 10 minus 5 is how much? 5. Then subtract hundreds column. 2 minus 1 is 1. Understood, no? After regrouping, we are getting the answer 153. Understood, no? This is subtraction with 0 and this is subtraction with ones. Next, checking subtraction with addition. We are crossing the numbers and we are checking the answer whether it is correct or wrong. So 435 minus 240. Subtract ones column 5 minus 0. 5 minus 0 is 5 itself. Then 3 and 4. We can't separate 4 from 3. So we are regrouping hundreds and tens column. After regrouping, 4 minus 1 is 3. And here what's number it becomes? 1 to the tens place. So 13. 13 minus 4 is how much? 9. Then 3 minus 2 is 1. So we have to check the answer whether it is correct or wrong. So what is the bigger number? 435. Right? So we have to add the numbers with the small number. So first is it will go to the 195 100. The answer what we have got, then plus in this smaller number we have to take 240 is the smaller 240. We have to get 435. If we get 435 means it is the correct answer or else it is wrong. So 1's column, 10's column and 100's column. Now add this number. 5 plus 0 is 5. 9 plus 4 is how much? 13. So 13 tens, 3 in the tens place and 1 to the hundreds place. 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 plus 2 is 4. So what's the answer? 435. Here what's the answer? 435. Hence the answer is correct. Understood? No? We have to get this answer. Then only it is correct or wrong. If we add these both numbers, if we get this number only, it is correct answer or else it is wrong. Understood? No? Thank you.